What's up guys, Keely here with ClickBank. I'm the social media manager at ClickBank and very micro-influencer on my own time. I've been through a lot when it comes to the world of monetizing your audience and utilizing your niche to enhance your content creation. If you're here, you've likely already begun your affiliate marketing or entrepreneurial journey. And if you haven't, we've got a really great video on how to monetize your audience that you can check out right here. Now, as an affiliate, something you hear a lot is to really dial into your niche. But what does that mean? At the beginning of your affiliate journey, you probably chose a niche that you wanted to get into to promote products and affiliate offers. Your niche is essentially what drives you and the products you're promoting online as an affiliate marketer. For me, the journey to choosing my niche was really simple, but it was truly the guiding light for me as I began my affiliate marketing business. I simply dug in and took a look at what my hobbies and lifestyle already were. Personally, I'm a huge yogi and I really love the outdoors and exercising. That was a clear sign to me that I should delve into the health and wellness niche, more specifically women's health and wellness. From there, I was able to really double down on monetizing my content. That's why having a niche is so important. It's a big help with the research and content creation as an affiliate, and it gives you clear guidelines for the audience you're targeting with your marketing efforts. When you choose a niche, it's much easier for you to be able to properly target and reach a target audience that's actually interested in the products you're promoting. So your return on investment is that much better. Now, if you've gotten this far, it's likely that you've already chosen your niche, your products, and you're maybe even promoting a few affiliate offers. The next step is to really dig down and dial deep into your niche and your audience to optimize the results from your promotional efforts. One of the easiest ways to continue to dial into your niche is to look at your reporting. Once you've begun your affiliate marketing journey, you'll have more data to assess based on the actions of your audience. Dig into this. What makes them tick? What actions are they taking with your product? Maybe they're leaving your landing page and then returning to it. Put yourself in the shoes of the people within your niche and really try to understand the data and actions of the consumers in your audience. Next, as you've built up more of an audience, take some time to talk and interact with the people in your niche. Ask questions, build a rapport, and continue to build up your own credibility within your niche. Maybe that looks like taking polls to improve performance or asking questions to help you better understand the needs, wants, and lifestyle of those within your niche. All of these things are going to help you to be able to better talk to and market to the consumers right within your niche. Once you've done that, take the time to do some additional research. Sure, you conducted plenty of research into your niche at the very start of your affiliate marketing journey, and that's great, but that doesn't mean that the research period is over. There's still plenty of behaviors and patterns that can change, and you should be the first to know about them. Stay up to date on journals, research pages, and social media accounts that can help deliver educational information to you about your niche. Maybe the consumers in your niche have changed their buying patterns. That's something that you as an affiliate need to be familiar with. Never stop learning, researching, and trying new things to really hone in on and perfect your monetization strategy. The more you know, the better your promotions are going to perform. Another really great way to dial into your niche is to look outside of your current customer base to see new emerging trends, identify different behaviors, and even find new niche conversations to join in on. There's so much room for growth, even within your own niche. How many times have I said niche already? Let's keep the count going. Comment below. However, on that same note, the best customer is a loyal returning customer. Take some time to understand the people who have already purchased from you. What can you do to improve your performance and ensure that your consumers want to come back to you time and time again? What are their needs as a consumer and what makes them tick? You can find this out by browsing online communities, sending out surveys, and talking with the people already in your network or customer base. There's more to dialing into your niche than just conducting research too. What you always want to do is test inside your communities to discover what kind of content, verbiage, copy, and promotions perform best. Maybe a certain email totally flopped, but a few days later you had one that did great. Analyze that information to help you dial into how the consumers in your niche like being marketed to. Finally, take some time to build up your impact across the internet. Are you doing really well on social media? Maybe build up your website and blog for more cross-promotion across your niche. Maybe your videos on YouTube are performing better than you could have imagined. Expand your social media presence so that you can reach more consumers within your niche. Cross-promotion in your niche is an amazing way to really dig in deep and dial into the consumers in your niche. Holy cow, that was 4 times in one paragraph. No matter what, at the end of the day, dialing into your niche is all about how you're talking to the people in your niche, how your content reaches them and uses lots of tools, education, and research to continue to reach them. With more efforts like this, it'll become easier and easier to continue to promote your offers within your niche and increase your ROI. Are you looking for some of the best niches for 2024? You can check out our video on that here or in the description. Maybe you're looking to add a few top offers to your repertoire. Check out our September top offers here or in the description. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, give us a like and let us know what other education you'd like to see in the comments. If you want more videos from us, make sure you hit that subscribe button by clicking right here. Yeah, click on my face. Okay, bye.